Hello and good morning. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, today we'll continue with present continuous tense. As you know, yesterday we started with present continuous tense and then we talked about activities or actions which are going on right now, that is at the time of speaking. Then we talked about actions or activities which may not be going on at the time of speaking, but simultaneously they are going on. Then we talked about changing or developing situations, that is, as I told you, that transition period. And then we talked about likelihood and intention. Today we are going to talk about well-planned actions or actions personally arranged, which are going to take place in a very near future. And then we are going to talk about temporary situations. Right now I am teaching you online, alright? So you are being taught through this video lecture. So this is a temporary arrangement until the things get better. Alright, so let's get started. Present continuous tense, well-planned actions and personally arranged near future actions. He is going to Delhi tonight. He is going to Delhi tonight. आज रात वो दिल्ली जाएगा, जा रहा है. So that is well planned. He must have booked his ticket, alright, and he is leaving for Delhi. Alright, then I am leaving for America tomorrow. I am going to America tomorrow. I am leaving for America tomorrow. So already this is also well planned. And my brother is coming next week. Okay, so my brother is coming next week. मेरा भाई next week आ रहा है. उसका शेड्यूल बन गया, उसका प्लान हो गया. मे बी ही मस्ट हैव अरेंज हिज टिकट एंड हिज कमिंग इज़ फाइनलाइज. सो ऐसे एक्शंस जो बहुत ही जल्दी आज रात को, शाम को, कल, परसों, नेक्स्ट वीक, नेक्स्ट मंथ, एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड. ओके, सो वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. गॉट इट? देन सी temporary situations. Okay, some arrangements for temporary working. Okay, like I am living with my friends until I find a place of my own. Suppose you are in a new city and still you haven't got your accommodation. Okay, you are looking for a rental accommodation. So meanwhile you are staying with your friends. So this is just temporary arrangement. Alright, so I am living with my friends until I find a place of my own. जब तक मुझे अपने खुद की जगह नहीं मिलती है, अपने खुद की रूम की, घर की व्यवस्था नहीं होती है, I am living with my friends. So this is just a temporary arrangement. Got it? So for temporary arrangement as well, we use present continuous tense. I am living with my friends until I find a place of my own. Got it? Then teachers are conducting online classes until the situation gets better. We teachers are conducting online classes until the situation gets better. As you know, the cases of COVID-19 are alarmingly increasing day by day, and that's why things are not good right now. Okay, things are not favorable, and that's why you are advised not to step out of your house. Okay, you are not likely to come to college. Meanwhile, you must not suffer your academic, your studies, and that's why we are teaching you virtually. We are teaching you through online classes. Alright, so this is just a temporary arrangement. Alright, so we are waiting for the things to get better, and as soon as the things will get better, then definitely we shall have our physical classes as usual. You will be coming to college and we will be teaching you. So this right now, this video lecture series is a temporary arrangement. Okay, and we all are waiting for the things to get better. Got it? So teachers are conducting online classes until the situation gets better. टीचर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं जब तक परिस्थितियाँ फेवरेबल नहीं होती हैं और अच्छी नहीं होती हैं. Got it? So dear student, this is all about present continuous tense. So let's recap quickly, okay, whatever we have discussed in this tense. In present continuous tense, first of all, we talked about actions which are going on right now at the time of speaking. That is, right now if I say I am teaching, so right now I am teaching. Okay, it's raining, अभी बारिश हो रही. So right now I am, the moment I am speaking with you, and the moment I am sharing with you, it is raining, means outside it is raining right now. All right, you are listening to me, okay, you are watching this video right now. So all these things are going on right now. Then we talked about actions or activities which are not going on right now, but they are going on, means those actions or activities extend a longer period. Okay, yesterday I gave you one example. Okay, I said he is writing a novel. One of my colleagues is, suppose if I say I am writing a novel or I am writing a story nowadays. So nowadays I am writing a story, but right now I am not writing a story. Right now I am teaching you, right now I am speaking with you. But I say nowadays I am writing a story. Got it? Then we talked about changing or developing situations. Alright? Then we talked about changing or developing situations. Sentences like it is getting warmer, गर्मी बढ़ रही है. Got it? Then we talked about intention and likelihood. He's going to launch his new business next year. She's going to die. That is likelihood. Alright. Then we talked about well-planned actions. Okay, I'm leaving for Delhi tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to America next week. My brother or my cousin is coming tomorrow. Alright. Then we talked about temporary actions, means temporary arrangements, temporary situations arranged for a while. As right now I am teaching you virtually, that is online. Why? Because this is just a temporary arrangement so that your academic, your studies may not suffer. Alright, and that's why this temporary arrangement has been arranged so that you could continue with your studies. Alright students, so this was all about present continuous tense. So before we proceed further and we start next tense, that is the present perfect tense, let's have a practice exercise based on present continuous tense. So let's get started. So let's have a practice exercise. Don't make a noise, the teacher come. My mother cooks some food at present. My grandpa read a newspaper now. My brother arrived tomorrow. He read David Copperfield. We go to the cinema tonight. Are you do anything tomorrow evening? Don't disturb me, I teaching. Don't disturb me, I teach. Listen, somebody call us. The workman repair the road near my house. So let's see once again. Don't make a noise, the teacher come. Don't make a noise, आवाज मत करो, शोरगुल मत करो. Why? The teacher come. Teacher comes or teacher is coming. Teacher आ रहे हैं या teacher आते हैं? Obviously right now something is going on. Don't make a noise. Right now you or your colleagues, your classmates are shouting a lot, making a noise, and meanwhile you saw your teacher coming. So you say don't make a noise, teacher is coming. At that time teacher's coming is taking place. Alright, so don't make a noise, the teacher is coming. Got it? Next, my mother cook some food at present, means at this moment. My mother is doing something. What my mother is doing? Cook. So cooking is going on right now. So my mother is cooking some food at present. This at present shows that something is going on at this moment. All right. Next, my grandpa read a newspaper now. Now. Now means at this time. My grandpa read a newspaper. So at this moment right now, what my grandpa is doing? My grandpa is reading a newspaper. So my grandpa is reading a newspaper. This now tells us that some action is going on right now. All right. Then my brother arrives tomorrow. Arrive means agaman, ana. Tomorrow. My brother arrive tomorrow. So tomorrow, that is action that is going to take place in near future. This is the planned action going to take place in near future. So brother is arriving tomorrow. So my brother is arriving tomorrow. So this tomorrow talks about actions going to take place in the very near future, and that is tomorrow. He read David Copperfield. David Copperfield is a novel by Charles Dickens. All right. So he read David Copperfield. So वो क्या कर रहा है? डेविड कॉपरफील्ड को पढ़ रहा है. So he is reading David Copperfield. So these days he is reading David Copperfield. Got it? Then we go to the cinema tonight. See, tonight. Well-planned action going to take place in a very near future, and for that purpose we use present continuous tense. All right. So we are going. We are going to the cinema tonight. Got it? Are you do anything tomorrow evening? Tomorrow evening, that is also action taking place in a very near future. And already R is given. Are you doing anything tomorrow evening? कल शाम को क्या कुछ कर रहे हो? Okay. Sometimes we ask our friends, what's your plan for tomorrow? Are you doing anything tomorrow? All right. So R is already given. It is interrogative. So R helping verb. Okay. It is used. Okay. Before the subject. Are you doing anything tomorrow evening? Then question mark. All right. Don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. I teach. Okay. I am saying that please, I am making a video. Don't disturb me. I teach. मैं अभी पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Right now the things teaching is going on. So I'll say that I am teaching. Don't disturb me. I am teaching. All right. Got it? Listen. Don't make a noise. Listen. Somebody call us. कोई हमें बुला रहा है. So that calling is going on. So somebody is calling us. Got it? Then the workmen repair the road near my house. Workmen मेरे घर के पास रोड को repair कर रहे हैं. All right. So repairing of the road is going on right now. Got it? And that's why the workmen plural are repairing the road near my house. Workmen मेरे घर के पास रोड को रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. So repairing of the road by the workmen is going on right now. Alright students, so see what are time adverbials in this present continuous tense. So generally you will find in present continuous tense, I am writing here presently, okay, currently, at the moment, at present, okay, then now, tonight, tomorrow, okay, next week, etc. Okay, so these are the time adverbial words, and they indicate that something is going on right now, presently, currently, at this moment, at the moment, at present, now, tonight, tomorrow, tomorrow morning, okay, next week. All right, so these words, these time adverbials show that something is going on right now, or something is taking place, or something is going to take place right now. Got it, student? So this is all about present continuous tense, and I hope you must have got it. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye.